Joanne, so one of the trainer from Huawei Philippines. For this live, gusto ko lang pong i-highlight sa inyo yung pinakabago, and syempre hindi lang bago, latest. Ayan, na tinagalog in English na natin. To give you an idea kung ano po yung pinakabago ni Huawei, which is the Huawei Nova 9. So Nova 9 na po tayo, ibig sabihin, mas pina-upgrade na po natin yung features ng ating smartphone. So, bibigyan ko lang po kayo ng mga reasons kung bakit nyo kailangan i-consider o bilhin ng ating Huawei Nova 9. First, we have the flagship camera or 50 megapixel RYYD camera. So kung mapapansin nyo, nakalagay dyan is flagship na siya, meaning nasa mid-range level siya, pero in terms of camera, adapted na po siya from our Mate 30 and P40 series. It means na si Huawei po ang kauna-unahang gumamit ng RYYD technology na kung saan perfect siyang gamitan for the night shot. Ibig sabihin, magagamit nyo na po siya for night shot and makapag-provide na ito ng mas sharper, mas brighter, and mas clear poster-grade na image even in low light condition. So we have 4 cameras, including the 50 megapixel main camera. Second one is we have 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera. And the third one is meron tayong tinatawag na 2 megapixel macro shot and 2 megapixel for bokeh effect. So mamamaximize na po natin yung ganda ng camera sa mid-range level. Pangalawa, meron tayong tinatawag na 120Hz OLED curved display na kung saan perfect siyang gamitin dahil napaka-smooth ng kanyang image for the fast motion na movies and gaming dahil meron siyang 120Hz OLED curved display. So yung 120Hz, napakalaking tulong yan makapagbigay ng perfect na image sa ating gaming and sa videos. And aside doon, meron din siyang 300Hz na sampling rate na kung saan perfect din siya for gaming dahil yung touch feedback niya is very accurate. Ayan. Then in terms of design naman ng ating Nova 9 is naka-curve na siya kaya perfect siya even in one-hand operation. Pangatlong reason kung bakit natin i-avail ang ating Huawei Nova 9 is we have the 66 watts Huawei Supercharge. Ibig sabihin, in just 38 minutes, you will get 100% of charging. So dito, malilesen natin ang battery anxiety na na-experience ng lahat kapag matagal nag-charge ang ating smartphone. Aside doon, in terms of gaming, nalilesen din dito yung pag-iinat ng ating battery kapag intensive usage scenario tayo dahil meron siyang tinatawag na graphene material and VC heat dissipation. So, ibig sabihin, yung vapor chamber tumutulong para makapag-cool down ang ating smartphone kahit nasa intensive scenario tayo or nag-multitask tayo. So, in terms of phone calls, tumatagal po ang battery natin ng 39 hours. In terms of browsing naman, tumatagal ito ng 16 hours. And for online videos, 11 hours. And for online gaming, 7 hours. So, magagamit po natin na ma-maximize natin ang battery ng Huawei ng buong araw na hindi ka problema pagdating sa pag-charge. And in terms of aesthetic design naman, ang ating Huawei Nova 9 ay may tatlong color. So we have the starry blue and black color. So yung starry blue is meron siyang tinatawag na double coating na kung saan may gradient color siya na naka-emphasize and nagmumukha talagang classy and premium yung ating design. And meron din siya tinatawag na partial etching na kung saan naka-engrave na po yung Nova to look it more classy. Diba? Compare mo sa mga normal na design lang ng mga smartphone. Then the third one is meron siyang anti-slip and meron siyang tinatawag na fingerprint resistant na kung saan yung glittering sand is tumutulong para hindi po magkaroon ng dumi yung back cover natin. At the same time, hindi po siya madulas sa kamay. So in terms of weight, napakagaang niya. Pwede mong ilagay sa pocket, pwede mong ilagay sa bag dahil meron siyang 175 grams no weight and meron siyang slim 3D curve design para mas excellent yung kanyang gripping. And for the thickness of 7.7 mm. So, yung design niya is may simple axis, symmetrical lens, and very refined and slimmer, and more compact. So, in terms of other features naman for our EMUI 12, we have the super device, which is in connection between various Huawei devices. With the use of Huawei ID and safe internet connection, you are capable to connect your smartphone to your tablet or even to your laptop or even sa ating mga wireless stereo. So first is yung Me Time. Yung Me Time is Huawei's own technology for the video calling. So meron kang or capable ka na makapag-multi-party calls na nakatulad din ng ibang third-party app na pwede kang mag-video call na hindi ka gumagamit ng any third-party application dahil built-in na po ito sa ating Huawei Nova 9. So, meron siyang distributed video and audio calls na kung saan yung mismong me time calls na nasa smartphone mo, like for Nova 9, is na-transfer mo na sa iyong Huawei Vision or Huawei TV para mas ma-maximize mo yung malaking screen and makapag communication ka sa mga loved ones mo nang nasa malaking screen kayo. Pangalawa, yung Smart Office, kung bibili ka ng laptop, meron kang tablet, at meron kang Huawei Nova 9, hindi mo na kailangan gumamit ng mga third-party apps like mga pang-transfer ng app, hindi mo na rin kailangan ng mga cords or cable dahil one-tap connection lang, nakakapag-transfer ka na ng files seamlessly. So same thing with entertainment, kapag naman naka-on yung Bluetooth mo, yung internet connection mo, mas madali mo nakokontrol and nako-connect ang free buds mo na hindi mo na kailangan ng parang manual pairing. Same thing with the TV, nakukonect mo rin sa TV ang ating Huawei Nova 9, ang smartwatch, and ang ating speaker. So for our Huawei Nova 9 nga pala, meron siyang 256GB and 8GB RAM na. So malaki yung storage kaya marami ka nang masisave na files anytime. Christmas promotion for our Huawei Nova 9. Just to give you also the refresher lang about those specifications, ang ating Huawei Nova 9 is naka-Qualcomm Snapdragon 778 4G and meron siyang 8GB of RAM, 256GB of ROM, naka-dual SIM and EMUI 12 and based on Android 11 na rin siya. We have also the 6.57 curved screen with 120Hz refresh rate and meron siyang 4 na camera including nga po yung ating 50MP flagship camera. And sa front facing, we have 32MP 4K Ultra HD na good talaga for vlogging. For the battery, we have 4,300mAh na naka-Huawei Supercharge na maximum of 66 watts and full charge in just 38 minutes. For our promotions, we have the free gift Huawei Free Lace worth 2,490. Ang SRP lang po nito is 23,999. For our Huawei Nova 8 naman, so we have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 662, naka-8GB RAM and 128GB storage na rin ito. And dual SIM na po siya. EMUI 11 based on Android 10. So meron siyang 6.67 LCD display with 4 camera including 64MP, 8MP, 2MP, and another 2MP. For the front camera, we have the 16MP camera. And sa battery is naka 4,300 Huawei Supercharge, maximum of 66 wattage na rin. For our SRP, 13,999 na lang po ang ating Nova 8i. May free gift na rin po kayo na Huawei Free Lace worth 3,490.